What's going on? I'm the JakeOfALL, and I got a surprise for you. This is sort of going to be a 2-minute tool review. Every once in a while, I get stuff sent to me, and people want my opinion on what it is, what I think it does, how well it does it, things like that. And sometimes it's great to post, sometimes it's not. But this one, it's not PACKOUT related, but it is tool related, and I think you guys will like it. I personally wouldn't keep it because I love the PACKOUT. But that doesn't mean other people don't, because not everyone wants to get into the PACKOUT, not everyone wants it. So I'm gonna do a little quick product review. I'm gonna show you some of the features, and then stick around to the end because I'm gonna give you some advice, some information on how one of you can win it. That's right, what I'm about to show you, I'm gonna give it away. I'm not gonna keep it. One of you's gonna get it. What's going on? JakeOfALL, and I got something for you. You guys know I like tools. I know you guys like tools because if you're watching this. So I have a tool bag for you. I'm going to show you what it can do, and yeah, we're going to see what we can put in. So I'm going to get it open, and I'll show you its features. So this is a sort of travel style, sort of think of your airport, right? Rolling handle, yeezant, okay, whatever. Big, cavernous inside, rigid, sturdy walls, tons and tons of pouches. Side pouches, show you what that's for. It's got a place that you can put luggage information. So if you were traveling tech, airport wise, you needed to check it, you put your information there, or if you just wanted to put your information, you got front bags. You could put all your tools in here, and you could check this. I don't see why you couldn't. A lot of people who check tools want to put them in a lock case, but you know, that's an option. Lots of pouches here. Let's put some stuff in these, right? So, good deep pouches, plenty of room for screwdrivers. This on the side is perfect for your tape measure. Inside is where you're really gonna find some use. You can see there, you've got all of these pouches that you can put stuff. It's actually pretty versatile in there. These ones are nice for stuff like that. Shoot, you can even fit an iPad inside. Put your drills, or on the outside, if you have a drill with a clip, you could clip it onto the tape measure. But when you're done, you got all your tools put in there, right? It's the type where you sort of fold that thing flat, pull your zipper, hold that flat. Carry it with one hand. Again, plenty of these pouches to put stuff. I mean, I would look at it as a good tech bag. You could put a laptop in there. You could put a multimeter, an iPad. You definitely could put a range of screwdrivers, pliers, things like that, no problem. And yeah, it's got a little rolly carry around handle. So I definitely think this could be helpful for a wide range of fields. And you don't have to break the bank like you do with all that stuff behind me. The fact that it rolls and it's all in one and the handle collapsed down. If you were carrying stuff that was TSA approved, I guess you could even put it on an airplane. But realistically, small enough it's going to come in and out of your back seat, your trunk, of your car. Easy to carry. I'm not going to honestly shake a stick at it. I wouldn't complain. This is nice that they put that reinforced. Plenty of pouches. So it seems durable. Nice the way it rolls. Definitely check it out. Okay, so I gave you the lowdown. I did the part of the video that I am obligated to do. It's not PACKOUT. Not allowed to say that in the video, but I think they're about $120, $130. Is that a lot? For a tech bag? Not really. I know the Milwaukee PACKOUT tech bag is $100. This one has the rolling handle. This one also has this. Okay, not PACKOUT compatible, got the clip. Plenty of different places to put stuff. Generally speaking, it seems sturdy. I'm not gonna see any long-term use with it, but I'm hoping one of you will. So what I'd like to do is I'm hoping there is an apprentice or somebody that can nominate an apprentice. I'd like to give this away. What I'd like you to just do is, if you're an apprentice or you've got an apprentice in the family or immediate, right? Let's try to give this away to somebody who can need it. So comment below what you're apprenticing for, how long you've been doing it, and what's your favorite thing about it. I'm also going to sweeten the deal. $18 millimeter. I will throw in some OFLA knives and blades because they are really trying to get the word out to apprentices that trades are not bad, because I think, without getting preachy on this platform, that's part of our problem, right? Is that people are saying that trades are bad, that a plumber is bad, an electrician is bad, that y'all should be doctors and pay an exorbitant amount of malpractice insurance and all this other stuff. And that's just crazy, because every time we see a problem, a natural disaster, whatever, who's in need? Yes, doctors. People get sick. But people also need their pipes fixed. People need electricians to wire up new service. My neighbor, their pole ripped right off their house. People are posting in groups about $3,000 to $6,000 to have a new weatherhead put on. It's crazy, right? You guys are in demand. So what I want you to do, again, you're going to nominate yourself. You're going to nominate somebody that's an apprentice, what you're apprenticing for, and what you like about the industry, or what you think you're going to like about the industry. And I also, with the help of OFLA, because I am an OFLA All-Star Pro, so they sort of sponsor me. They send me this stuff. They don't pay me, but I should give my honest opinion. I've been loving these snap blades since before, when I worked for a Japanese automotive company. Heritage of OFLA sort of aligns with that. Great stuff. So like I said, I'm gonna throw that in with it. You're gonna get this bag. I literally am doing the review, putting it back in the package, putting it back in there. It's not gonna be dirty, it's not gonna be used, it's not gonna be a mess. So again, I appreciate, well, maybe I haven't said it. I appreciate you all watching. So why don't you do me a favor and subscribe if you're not. Like this video, comment again if you want to win this. And hey, share it with your buddies. Let them know JakeOfALL is giving away stuff. Because when they send me this kind of stuff, especially if it's not PACKOUT, I've gotten like 3 PACKOUTs in my life for free. But when they send me this stuff and they want my honest opinion, I give it to them. And then some of it is just like, give it to your family and friends. But this, I thought you guys could use this, so I hope you can. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. And good luck, any apprentices out there. You will definitely like this, I think, because you're starting off, and that's the one thing you got to spend money on, right? Tools and a place to put your tools. So I am the JakeOfALL, and it's time to pack this out of here. Boogie, boogie, boo.